The second edition of Find the Mistake. Before we get started, let's talk about what you have to do. We will go over the steps on subtracting two 2x2 matrices. One step or line will contain the error. It is your job to find it. Let's begin to write our work. Our first step is to set up the subtraction of row 1, column 1, where we have 6 minus negative 1. Our second step is to set up the subtraction of row 1, column 2, where we have negative 2 minus 2. Our third step is to set up the subtraction of row 2, column 1, where we have 3 minus negative 4. Our fourth step is to set up the subtraction of row 2, column 2, where we have 5 minus 5. Now, let's begin to find our resultant matrix by subtracting the elements. Let's start our fifth step by subtracting 6 and negative 1, and our result is 5. Our sixth step, let's subtract negative 2 and 2, and our result is negative 4. Our seventh step, let's subtract 3 and negative 4, and our result is 7. Our eighth step, let's subtract 5 and 5, and our result is 0. Now your job begins. One of these lines has a mistake. Pause the video here so you can take your time, and I will show you in 3, 2, and 1. It is line 5. We should have changed the negative sign to positive. Now, what do we have to change? It is the 5. 6 minus negative 1 is not 5, it is 7. So the correct answer for our resultant matrix in the first row is 7 and negative 4, and in the second row, 7 and 0. Now, let's see how you fare with a question of your own. Go ahead and pause the video here so you can take your time to answer the question, and I will show you the result in 3, 2, and 1. If you got it correct, superb. If not, there's always tomorrow.